My name is Robert Boyce. I'm the head of training for Share Community, and I'm currently supporting the running of the horticulture project, which is great for me, especially considering that this is our Mental Health Awareness Week and I'm in nature, I'm in the garden, so it's a brilliant place to be. We are very lucky. We've had access to a horticulture project which allows us to do accredited training and training which helps people's therapy and helps people feel well-being for the last 20 odd years in the project. This project has enabled people to learn skills in gardening, but also gain confidence and feel well and feel good about themselves in outside, working with plants, working with nature, and just enjoying actually touching and actually working with nature. During the lockdown, we were very lucky to have access to this space and to be able to still support those who come to Share Community, and I think everybody who came actually enjoyed the fact that they were able to get out during lockdown in a safe way, in an open space, and in some respects still do some gardening. We did other activities during the lockdown as well, some arts and some music and some crafts. Just because we had this space out in the garden, it enabled people to be safe, it enabled us to continue to offer some sort of service, and it enabled those who are quite vulnerable and needed a little bit of support to have somewhere where they could come to, be safe, know that they were doing some sort of activity, and continue to be well for a very challenging time. So this garden is a lifesaver. Yeah. It's absolutely a lifesaver. It's a wonderful thing, and to be honest, since lockdown restrictions have been lessened, we're getting more and more people in. They've been waiting to come back in here and wanting to come back in here, and if you have a look around the garden, you'll see lots of happy smiling faces of people.